Alright guys, so only in Florida, it is December 15th, 2022. And this is what we call snow over here for. This is what we get for snow. Severe thunderstorms on a December. Because it is lightning. Like a lot. I don't know why it's not doing it now, but there was some lightning. But yep, this is my morning, aka afternoon, because it's past 12. And in Florida, this is what we get for snow. So what y'all get for snow up there, like real snow, we receive it here as rain, I guess, that comes into thunderstorms. Come on, lightning, I heard you. You were flashing and popping earlier. What happened now? I pull out my camera, now you want to stop? Really? That's what we do in Florida? Come on, I just want to get one so people can see that here in Florida, all year long, we get rain, we get thunder. It was hot yesterday, but I'm guessing this little front is gonna bring some cold behind. So I was reading we were gonna be having some kind of severe little thunderstorm, and then the temperature is gonna just drastically and dramatically drop to, like, I don't know, the 50s, the 40s. So yeah, it's gonna be cold. Maybe tonight, early morning tomorrow, not sure. But oh, y'all see the flash? Y'all see it? Now you're gonna hear it. So y'all can see, I tell no lie. Only in Florida, December, while people out there with their nice, you hear it? Yep, this is what we get for snow. Up north, they get cloudy and maybe a little bit of rain, but then the snow falls behind. Here, we get the rain, but no snow. But we get lightning. So yeah, just wanted to document this, if you say. So whoever is over the code, well, you can come here and you'll get a thunderstorm before the cold comes. Not snow, but yeah. So anyways, gotta go inside, gotta start getting ready for work. Just wanted to film this real quick so people can see that in December in Florida it still be hot and we still get thunderstorms. So enjoy, everyone. Y'all all have a great and a blessed day. Thank you for watching my videos, and I am signing off. Goodbye.